Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Zwift to a spin bike. Getting your spin bike set up with Zwift can transform your indoor cycling, making it much more engaging and fun. We'll go over all the essential equipment you'll need, walk through the different methods for linking your bike to the platform, and share some valuable tips to help you optimize your virtual cycling experience. By the end, you'll be ready to jump into the immersive world of Zwift from the comfort of your home. To get started, you'll need a few key pieces of equipment. First, a compatible spin bike is essential, as it forms the base of your setup. Next, a speed and cadence sensor is crucial. This small device attaches to your bike and transmits your pedaling data. You'll also need a device to run Zwift, such as a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Finally, an ANT Plus or Bluetooth receiver ensures seamless communication between your sensors and your Zwift device, bringing your ride to life. Connecting your spin bike to Zwift is a straightforward process. Begin by securely attaching your speed and cadence sensor to your bike, typically on the crank arm or wheel hub. Then, open the Zwift app on your chosen device and navigate to the pairing screen. Here, you'll pair your sensor using either Bluetooth or ANT Plus. Once connected, it's a good idea to calibrate your sensor for the most accurate power and speed readings. With everything paired, you're ready to start your virtual ride and explore the world of Watopia. To truly enhance your Zwift experience, consider a few extra steps. Always ensure your sensors have fresh batteries to avoid any mid-ride interruptions. A stable internet connection is also vital for uninterrupted gameplay and smooth interaction with other riders. If you're looking for an even more realistic and interactive experience, exploring smart trainers could be your next step, as they offer automatic resistance changes. Finally, don't forget to explore Zwift's vast array of workouts and routes to keep your training engaging and exciting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.